Hey guys, I'm about to go ride from all the way down there to right here and pedal off into the driveway.
He's gonna drift.
And then you're all going to interview me, but in the next video I'll answer all your questions, but don't do this at home. This is super dangerous. Alright? My friend Tram is going to be holding
Camera.
be the cameraman, and I'll be down there.
What the frick is going on with the pigs? It's late. It's like 5:30. 6. It gets dark, man. Hurry up. There's my bike right there. Do like you did that first time. Pedal really fast and drift really hard. Oh, good job.
Alrighty guys, in the video,
What?
don't do it.
At home.
Hey guys, so you see me? I went like that.
And he very easily could have fallen off the bike and sprained his ankle, busted his head open, scraped, busted
Easily,
knee.
and there's rocks right there.
Yeah, there is rocks. Let me go up there and show him. There's rocks right there.
I went this, guys. Look, I went like this.
Yeah, and he barely, tell him about Aaron, how he busted his knee open on the street bike.
Well, he busted his knee open because their cat ran out in the road. He swerved into a mailbox. His
And-
knee got busted open.
And it was just like a
That's
chest.
crazy.
It was just like this.
like ripped off.
Yeah, almost. And tell him about your ear.
Yeah, my ear, I got run over and my ear almost got all the way ripped off. And then I had to get stitches. This here. This here.
Yeah, right there. Alright.
See that?
Yeah, there's little stitch marks.
When I was 4 years old.
At 4 years old. God dang.
Alrighty. This would be the end. Sorry guys, it's so short.
But
It's getting
thanks.
dark outside.
and yeah,
Is that a
you
rain?
can't even see the sun. They might make a part 2 right after this one.
Alright. Bye.
Bye guys.